So hello everyone, welcome to this video on big integer. So in this video I'll talk about the class on Java that is uh, big integer, how we can use this class to handle large number, basically in case of competitive programming or any other scenario where we are dealing with big integer. So we use this class there one, and with the new keyword we have to write big integer. Here we could pass a string with large number, and my big integer is ready. So b1 will contain this big integer. So here you can see we are getting this result, and this b1 is containing this result. So we have lots more methods in big integer. So we could perform different things on big integer. So let me start with the simplest one, that is absolute value. Okay, so every big integer can be positive or negative. So whenever we are getting some big integer with negative value, we could convert this with as a positive value. So abs value is equal to b1 dot abs. So this is my method which is converting that negative b1 with positive big integer. Okay, so here I am printing this b1 and that returning value, that is positive value, abs value here. So let's see that result. So obviously we are getting this two result. One is negative, that is b1, and another is positive. So this abs is doing nothing but it's um, getting the negative number, and it's returning the positive value of that particular number. So what happened if we pass it as positive? So it will do nothing, but the result will even same. Okay, so let's see the next method we have. So we have many other method. We will not discuss each and every method in this video. If you want to know about all the methods, I'll put the link in the comment section. You can get into there and learn about all the methods. So next method we are going to learn about this add method. So this add method returns a big integer, and it's take an argument as a big integer. So we already have a big integer. Let's perform this add. So here I am passing a new big integer. Let's do it as minus this result, then we will get the result as 0. Okay, so let's uh, add value. Okay, so let's change it, add value, and save it, and I'm hitting run button, and we'll getting is this as 0. Okay, so whatever things we learned, that is nothing but they're adding this to result, this big integer and this big integer, and returning the value we are storing this value with another big integer. So let's come to the next, that is nothing but divide. So we can perform a divide action with the help of big integer. So it take argument as a big integer and return a big integer, and we could perform this on a big integer. Let's take simple number. Let's take as 100, and let's take it here 25, and let's change it div, and let's print the div result. So I'm again running my program. Here we are getting as 100 and 125. So our divide result is okay. So we didn't add that divide result. So here is our divide method, and it's doing division for us. So for now we'll get that div result as something 4. Okay, so here we are getting the result as 4. So next, coming to the next method, we have GCD. That is also a very important method. So I'm changing this method as GCD. This one is also taking a big integer and returning that GCD, that is greatest common divisor, as a big integer. So we have 125, so we'll get a great GCD as 25, obviously. So let me print that GCD. I'm saving the program and again running it. So you are getting that GCD as 25. So GCD is doing nothing, but it is returning a big integer as a GCD of this two number. So next method we have max. That is a very simple method. It's return us the maximum of these two number. So we'll get the result as 100. So here we are getting the result as 100. Okay, uh, so you can see here max, we are getting the result as 100, and we also have mean. It's returned the minimum value of this two big integer. It's taken big integer and return also a big integer. So let me run the program and see. So we are getting the minimum result as 25. Okay, so we also have more methods, like we have power method that return the power of the big integer. So it's take argument as a integer. So I'm writing here power method, which will tell us the power of that particular number. So I'm saving this and running it again. So let me change the variable name. So we'll get the power of 100, that is 1 and 4 zeros. So here we are getting 1 and 4 zeros. So this was the power method on that particular big integer class. And we also have multiply. That's take also a big integer and multiply these two. Let me show it to you. So let me change the value, and we have multiply, and we have to pass a big integer here. So let me do it as multiply 5. So I am taking simple numbers. Okay, that doesn't matter what I am taking. So here I have to change the variable name. Okay, so let me run and check. I'll get result as 500. So we are getting it, and we have many other methods like that. So this is, in this way we can use the big integer methods in any whenever we are dealing with a large number, or we are doing some